Hello. Thanks everyone for coming. I feel like that I came to clinic in just a really sad spot. I didn't really know who I was, and I felt like being down here, I really built my confidence in B2 be specific. But I really just made lifelong friends along the way. I couldn't have done anything without my friends or the faculty and staff here. And just thank you all. Couldn't have done it without you. Mine's pretty short and sweet. Okay, so now I feel bad because mine's not short and sweet. Okay, so hi everybody. Thanks for coming out to my meeting out. So first off, I think I would not be here if God didn't have like a weird sense of humor. So before this, I was working at urgent care, and I had never even been to a chiropractor before, never even thought the word chiropractor, and it just kind of hit me like a ton of bricks. I'm pretty sure God said, no, you're done doing that, go to Sherman. And I was like, oh, I really honestly had never thought of chiropractic prior to Sherman. Didn't even know this was 5 minutes from where I used to work. I applied. 6 months later, I'm here, and 3.5 years later, I'm on these steps. So throughout the whole journey, there's just been so many professors and case doctors that have supported me along the way, I think more than they could possibly even know. And don't want to cry. Just everyone's been a huge support system for me. My husband Corey has been by my side the whole time. I couldn't have done it without him. My mother-in-law Marcy, when there's two of you both in school and you're living off student loans, that gets very tight. And she has been a huge support system for us. Just everyone here has been wonderful. I wish I could pick everyone's brains. You guys are all brilliant, and it's inspiring, and it's incredible how smart these professors and case doctors are. But it's definitely inspiring. It's something I hope to be, and I hope I make you all proud one day. So I think honestly, the last thing to do is ring the bell.